Good morning, greetings once again from Heindel Motorcycle Sales, Eaton, Ohio. So here we have this 2021 Ural CT. Saw our other video on it. You may have noticed the switch that we talked about that the customer had added. And in going over the video right before we unhooked the battery, we were looking at it and going, something just seemed odd. So when we got to it, and you can go back and look at the other video if you don't believe me, because I didn't start videoing this before I fixed it. Yeah, it's already fixed. Customer had stated that the starter sometimes would engage, sometimes wouldn't engage. He was having trouble with it, I guess. So he had added a jumper wire with another button. I don't know, maybe this was some sort of anti-theft device. Don't know. But anyway, you guys saw the video the other day. I know I got a lot of comments on it about how the white bike, Rainier white one, came in and had the starter lead wire unplugged. This is what provides juice to the starter motor to engage the solenoid. When you push the happy button on the handlebars, you have to have some sort of trigger. This plugs onto a spade on the starter. If this isn't plugged in, it's not going to start with the button. So what happens with this unplugged, I'll go ahead and show you. Turn your key on to the run position and you'll watch the lights dim. See, we push the button and the lights dim. So you're going to think, oh my goodness, battery's dead or something like that. The first thing is the old KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. Check that. Has to be plugged in. So we had a customer one time that every spring, well, no, I shouldn't say every spring. It was sometimes a couple times a year. Unfortunately, I think the gentleman may have had brown bottle flu. But anyway, that's neither here nor there in this video. But somebody would unhook his starter wire. That way he couldn't ride his bike. And he'd trailer it in here, or he'd have it brought up on a rollback a couple times a year. And that's the only thing that would be wrong with it. And we would always go through it and never found anything else wrong other than that unplugged. So I don't know what it is. It seems to be a rash of them here lately. That's our battery tender plug. We'll stuff it up out of the way. But anyway, what we did is we took those off of there, took the switch off. And of course we'll get the cover back down on stud there, cover that up, and then we'll purdy this up. For some reason this one looks like the wire keeps getting pulled. Don't know what the deal is. Looks like it's a little tight for some reason, which could be why it came loose. Might want to do some more checking there on that. But anyway, we'll turn our key on. Oh no, an engine light! Pull the cover off. Do. And we sell these cables Goes from here up. And then I've got a little El Cheapo OBD2 code reader that we also sell. About 80 bucks for the cable and the reader. This is just a different reader that I had. But we'll get this hooked up here. Get that plugged in like so. And then we'll turn our key on. Key, K-O-E-O. Key on, engine off. Today we're going to identify as a BMW. Okay. A P1335. What is a P1335, gentlemen? Ooh, looks like it's been wet. A P1335. Who knows? Probably erroneous. If it comes back, we'll deal with it, but probably just an erroneous code. So I'm just amazed though, you know, when we went to unload it off the trailer when we were working a deal out to purchase the unit, push the happy button, and sometimes the starter would engage and sometimes it wouldn't. Gentleman said it had been that way for a while, so we were figuring, you know, $400 starter, maybe $200 battery, full service and all that stuff. So we took all that off the price, but you know, it's one of those things. I guess if you know the product, it's simple. If you don't know the product, it's not simple. Even with videos out there, you know, folks, still, you got to be able to work on something. Just because you see it done doesn't mean that you can do it. Even though there's a guy out there that says, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Hinder Motorcycle Sales, Eaton, Ohio.